I'm at the Fairmont Kea Lani and I am in a 2-bedroom villa. I'm going down the stairs here because I want to get downstairs, although it's dark down here. I'm gonna see if I can get the lights on very quickly. Wow, this resort has undergone a major renovation. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful here. So we have the kitchen, full kitchen, dining area, living area. All the decor is beautiful. And each villa, I believe there's 22 villas. Each has its own private plunge pool. So let me turn around and get another view of this living area. Really, really well done. And then we have a bedroom here, and then upstairs is another bedroom. Beautiful. I'm not gonna go in there, but we have the bathroom and walk-in closet. So I'll go upstairs and get a video of the upstairs, but this is a beautiful, beautiful living space here, and it's right near the beach. So the beach is just steps away, but it feels really, really private.